Hi, as you can tell by the title of this little video, I'm talking about network marketing actually being a skill. One of the things I love about our industry is that any single person can decide to be an independent consultant or a distributor and create something really big and significant in their lives. It doesn't matter if the highest grade they went through was third grade or if they have a PhD. What it takes to be good in this industry, to build a team and to build residual income, is a skill set that is developed really once you're in the industry. If you think about it, if you were going to be a doctor, you would go to school, you'd study biology and science and pre-med, and then you'd go on and get your medical degree, you'd get your doctorate, and you become a doctor. And you go through a lot of education for that kind of specialized degree and skills. Well, some of those skills you clearly would be able to apply in network marketing. Maybe during the course of becoming a doctor, you've learned good bedside manner and you learn how to connect with people, maybe. Maybe in becoming a doctor, you learn the skill of memorization and you're able to retain information and then to kind of share that with other people in a way that's understandable, right? Because doctors sometimes have to explain complicated things. So maybe that's part of the skill set that would be brought if you happen to be a doctor and you were going to be a network marketer. If you're a teacher and you teach third grade students, maybe the skill that you have is it doesn't bother you to stand in front of a room. Maybe you bring that with you. The truth is that every other thing that is required to be good in this business really is learned kind of on the job. As you're building a team, as you're working with adults, as you're working with people who have to overcome limiting beliefs, as you're sharing product information, as you're doing training, teaching people how to use the resources that the company provides, all of these different skills are developed once you're in the trenches, so to speak. So the exciting thing is, yes, you can bring with you skill sets from whatever your background is or isn't. And then while you're actually building your team is how you develop the kind of skills necessary for this industry. I've never met one person ever in our industry, regardless of their background, regardless of what levels of education they have, that they get started and they understand every single nuance and they build a huge successful team without any roller coaster rides or without any ups and downs. Never seen it happen. I think it would be very, very highly unlikely. The most exciting thing about the industry is that growth and the learning that happens along the way. Sometimes you do have people who jump in and they start creating quick success because they happen to have part of that skill set that's required. They have a dynamic, attractive personality that encourages people to get started, but then they realize maybe what they don't have is that duplicatable ability to help train the team and help make sure that they're duplicating, so they have to learn that part of it. So I guess the point is that network marketing really is its own profession and it's its own skill set that needs to be developed. So you're going to bring with you something from your background and it's going to apply. You're going to bring with you something that helps you be successful, but also recognizing that you have a lot to learn and will continue to have a lot to learn as you grow. It's what's going to ensure your success down the line. So no matter who you're talking to, no matter who joins your team, honor the fact that they're going to bring with them some specific skills and hopefully help them see and realize that they're going to develop new skills by building a team with a diverse group of people, sharing information, igniting dreams, motivating people, inspiring people, teaching people, leading people. These are all different skill sets that the longer you stay in the industry, the greater those skills become. So it is a skill, it's a profession, and it's a whole lot of fun, especially when you open your mouth and your heart at the same time.